It's 2-Minute Tuesday. So, do you know exactly the essential EDC items you need in an urban environment? Today I'll show you my urban everyday carry kit, and the best part is, you already have some of the items on you. Everyday carry, or EDC, is in most part an essential assembly of tools of everyday items that you may need or use on a daily basis. Being prepared-minded, and that's why you're here watching this video, we added a few more items to complete our kits. For most of us living in a city, daily survival is something we take for granted. An urban EDC kit isn't something you think about all the time. Just because you live in the city doesn't mean you should be any less prepared than if you live in the country. When an emergency situation occurs, you don't get any warning. You might be away from your home and your gear, and your survival could depend on the items you carry with you every day. My EDC consists of 3 separate parts. First part is, what's on my person? The second part is, what is on my lunchbox? And the third and last part is, what is in the kit? So let's start with what's on me. A cell phone with offline maps and survival guides, my RFID blocking wallet with debit and credit cards, and some other personal information. Cash with some small bills and coins, a small multi-tool, fingernail clippers, lip balm, keys. The keychain can hold many different items, such as a pill fob, P38 can opener, a pen light. The possibilities are endless. And my hat. These are the items I carry with me always. You may need other items such as medications, an alert bracelet or necklace, and a lighter. It all depends on what you may need immediately. Now let's look through my lunchbox. I have water, soda, cold packs, canned meats, fruit bars and or a power bar, trail mix, crackers, plastic utensils, earbuds, earplugs, pen and pencil, paper, facial tissue, USB cable with a B to C adapter, USB charger, typically a high output one with a quick charging rate, but don't exceed the limitations of your device. Power bank, hand sanitizer, wet wipes, dental floss, large multi-tool, flashlight, chemical light, pain reliever and antacids, sunscreen, and sunglasses with microfiber cleaning cloths. These items are not needed immediately, but are readily available. My lunchbox is clean near me when I'm driving, usually in the passenger seat or behind it, and when in the office, it is on my desk. Your items will vary depending on your needs, but I would suggest that you have extra snacks and periodically check the expiration dates on all your items. Now let's look at the kit. There may be some duplication, but remember, 1 is none and 2 is 1, meaning you should always have a backup for each critical item. The kit is left in the vehicle along with my get home bag and vehicle EDC kit. So here's what's in it. Small cut and headache first aid kit, lip balm, pen light, tactical flashlight, chemical light, multi-tool, knife with seatbelt cutter and window shattering tool, pepper spray, face shield, rain poncho, mylar blanket, Bic lighter with some duct tape around it, wet fire starter, water bag, pen water filter, pen, pencil, marker, and right in the rain paper, water purification tablets, learn and live cards on first aid, safety pins, whistle, Fresnel lens, paracord key fob, square of folded tin foil. Well, there you have it. An everyday carry kit that can keep you going for a few hours, is small and compact, and can fit in your glove box, pack, or on your belt. I have placed a list of the contents of the EDC kit shown today in the description below. I also included links to some of the items for your convenience. Please like and share this video and also subscribe to this channel. Since you're already there, go ahead and click that bell icon so that you can be notified of any updates. Let me know in the comments section below what was your favorite part of this video. And if you have any video suggestions, leave them in the comments as well. I'm Berlon Burch. I'll see you next time.